This ST behind me is gonna make me broke. I'm gonna starve and die. So I'm fixing the one thing after the other. Maybe it's just a fourth thing. No, I'm just kidding. Four people, don't hate me. I'm more of an Audi person, but it's fine. I haven't even had time to cut my hair. Sorry for that, guys. I look like absolute crap. Anyway, we are having a no start condition today, and it was my own fault. Basically, what happened was I was doing a video literally yesterday and today on how to test your entire aircon system. I did it, and I wanted to test and see if I can bypass the fan, and now the car won't start. So I've got a suspicion there's a few fuses. I'm quickly going to pull out the scan tool. We're going to scan it. We're going to go through everything, look at the fuse boxes, and try to see if we can target everything one by one and try to see if we can get the car to start back up. Alright, so we have got the car's ignition on. What we're going to do is we're just quickly going to close the door. I just want to see if I can focus here on the screen. So we're going to say, okay, it's a 2014 Ford. Just quickly, there we go, communicating. We're going to say, yes, the info is correct. Okay, so we're quickly just going to do a small quick diagnostic test and see what it says. So usually by this, I also recommend you guys to take photos of whatever you're seeing here, but I already took a photo. So here we go. It serves the ABS, PCM, and RCM. So RCM is basically like your passenger airbag. So I've got the passenger light on. Apparently it's that airbag over there. We'll have that looked at one day. And then for the ABS is nothing. And here for the PCM there is 6. Looking at it, we got fan 1 control circuit error, control circuit voltage low. So this indicates to me that there might be a blown fuse, because usually if you get something like it says voltage low, it means you took your battery out and you put it back in. In that case, we didn't do it. Then we got engine coolant bypass valve. This one was always there. MAS volume airflow sensor A circuit range performance error, and then fuel pump module A. See, this is why the car is not starting, because the car literally, I'll start to do it now for you guys. When I switch it on, it just keeps on turning, nothing happens. And then cold start pressure performance, obviously there's going to be a low fuel pressure, basically because right over here the fuel pump is obviously not coming on. So usually how you know about the fuel pumps, what I'm just going to do is just going to put it down here. I'm actually just going to pull it out. We don't have to clear it because I know everything's going to pop right back up, and power off. Alright, so we're just going to put it here. Usually with your car, as soon as you turn your ignition on, so the car's off now currently, I'm going to turn the ignition on, you should hear like a woof. That is usually the pump in the back, but in this case, nothing. So quickly, car's off. Not doing anything. It just says engine malfunction. Check the service book, or I don't even see there. Alright, so let's quickly go back to the front of the car. Okay, so here's my lovely expandable book, limited edition. I know you all love this book. Alright, so here is the fuse box right over here. So let's start off the top. Remember, we had a cooling fan error. So if we look for it here, I think it was 21, there we go. 7.5 amps is a cooling system fan, 1.6 TDCR. So this is basically what it is. It's number 21. 21 is that one over there. So if we look over here, let me quickly turn the flash on. There we go. I already removed it. It was this one over here. I pulled it out. As you guys can see, it's goners. How can I... Come on, focus. There we go. You guys can see there's nothing on the inside. So it's not supposed to look like this. Where did I put my fuse box now? Hold on. Okay, so here is another one. It's a 7.5. I hope you guys can see over there, 7.5. Alright, so slot number there. You can even see like these ones, they don't have these silver pins like this one, so you know it's this one for a fact. I'm looking through the camera. I'm not seeing what I'm doing. Perfect, it's in. So I think what we can do is we can actually go back to the car, or we can quickly do the other one, do the fuel pump one. So let's quickly go through everything. I think I saw it at the back. Oopsie. Number 34, I didn't remove this one yet, so it's a 20 amp. Number 34, which is over here, 1 2 3 4, so 30, 31, 32, 34. Okay, so it is, oh gosh, okay, we're gonna have to go the other way. 1 2 3 4, the fourth one from below, 1 2 3 4. So it's this 1 2 3 4, it's this 20 over here. From the top it actually still looks good. Come on, baby, be bad, be bad. Oh, and this one, as you guys can hopefully see, let's see if I can focus on it. Hold up. There we go. You can see it is still fine. So it's not this one. We got to keep on looking for another fuse. It can even be a relay maybe, but we're quickly just going to go through the fuses because they're the easiest. Alright, so I basically went through this entire book, right? Like page. Like through this page over here, literally I can't see anything else about the what do you call it, about the fuel. Basically the only other one I found was, I think was this one over here, which is a relay. Where is it? Relay over there. Fuel pump, diesel filter, fuel heater. So it's this one right over here, R11. Yeah, so it's 13, 12, 11. 13, 12, 11. So I checked it out. It was fine. I switched the two around. Both of them, there doesn't look any burn from any direction underneath or whatsoever. So I cannot find anything else. So I think what we're going to have to do is, because I also looked, you see these ones, they're open. So you can see from the top if they have popped or not. So there was a few that I also pulled out here, such as the power control module, which was over here. Power control module, powertrain control module over here. Remove this one over here as well. For the cooling fan, it was fine. Where there was another one there, the body control module, I also tested it and everything turned out to be fine. So I think what we're going to do is let's quickly scan the car again, and then we're going to clear all the faults, and we're going to try to see if we can start then, if it's going to work. Okay, so it's trying to scan the VIN. It won't get anything because the car's ignition is not on. There we go, got us straight away. 2014 Ford. Okay, gonna close the door, otherwise it's gonna keep on beeping. So let's quickly try again. Yes, it's the correct information. Very good tool, launched, absolutely love it. There we go. So it's quickly scanning. So it's probably gonna find, okay, it's found 6 now. Didn't find 5. It's probably because of that fuse we changed. So let's quickly have a look. So right over there, abnormal 5. So still got that one, still got that one. Engine coolant bypass still has that one. Oh, so it doesn't have the, no, how is that possible? It's those, so there's maybe one I'm lost, but I did actually take photos. So there's one we do not have. So I think even before we basically clear it, let's try to see if we can start a car first, because I don't want to clear all of it and then trying to start and see, oh, now it works. Because maybe this fuse that was blown, if I changed it, it will automatically allow the car to start again, instead of not being able to, yeah, and then you don't have to clear the faults, because otherwise, yeah, so if the car doesn't start now, sorry for that, if the car doesn't start now, that means you need to clear the faults if it starts afterwards. So let's see. Okay, so I don't think it's gonna start. Oh my word. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. So you want to tell me because of a fan fuse it didn't start? So I think what we're gonna do now is, okay, we're gonna switch it off, put the ignition on. So we're still here. We're gonna say clear faults. We're gonna say yes, because we're gonna clear everything now. So we're gonna say back, and I think the best thing to do is, you really want to quit? Yes. I'm gonna say okay. Sorry guys, it's like it wants to focus and then it doesn't want to focus and it wants to focus. So yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to scan the car quickly again and see all the errors it shows now. Okay, so boom, only one fault. There we go. So one fuse for the fans, because I was busy on the fans, literally prevented the car from starting. Okay, so now I can tell you guys now it's probably going to be the coolant bypass valve or something. Engine coolant bypass valve. There we go. So yeah, that one has been there forever. I still need to try and see what it is and trying to see if I can fix it. There's the code. Anyway, let's quickly go and start it up again. Boom, baby. Wow, just look at her go. So I'm super happy about this. Yeah, so the car is working because of one stupid fuse. Listen to her. She runs, she idles, she starts. Sorry, the wind is just bad now. Anyway guys, I do hope that this video kind of helped you out to actually just go and look at the error codes and then just trying to go to see the fuses. Especially if you were doing something with the electrical system and you might have popped the fuse like I did. Stupid fix, really stupid fix. I cannot believe that the fuel pump didn't come on, because I didn't hear that at all. So I'm trying to think to myself, why is it? Maybe the entire system, like the car won't start if the fans cannot come on, because that will obviously that can obviously lead to an engine complete catastrophic failure, because your engine can overheat and all of that. So I think maybe that is the reason why. I think basically maybe the ECU told the fuel pump to switch off, because literally it was only that one fuel. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked. But obviously, one of you guys might know the reason for it. If you guys do know, let me know in the comments below. And I'll see all of you legends in my next video. For now, peace out.